In this session today, I just want to go through Facebook ads campaign structure. Hopefully I'll give you an idea in terms of how Facebook ads are kind of laid out when you're creating your campaigns. So at the top you've got, kind of your campaign. So I'll just make a note here. And then below that you'll have a number of ad sets. So I'll come on to ad sets in a second. And then below that, you've got your ads. So we'll just do a few. Right, I'll just connect the dots as well. So hopefully you'll get the idea. Just connect these ones as well. Okay, so Facebook will only allow you to have one type of campaign. So whether it's lead generation or messenger bot or traffic campaign, you'll only be able to have one type of campaign in this sort of structure. If you want to test sort of different campaign objectives, you'll need to create them separate. At the ad set level, this is where you'll actually define your targeting and placement. So this is where you'll select your interests, your behaviors, your location, and also the feed too. So you can decide if it's going to go on desktop, on mobile, on Instagram, and there's also audience network and a messenger placement too, which I'll cover in a later video. So when you're kind of creating your campaigns, you want to try and either group the interests so that they're more related to each other. So if you want to talk about, say, football in one interest, you can group them. If you want to talk about golf in another, I'd group them, and so forth. The reason for doing that is you can then make your ad copy congruent to the ad set and also the campaign as well. So it keeps it all nice and relevant. And then obviously below that, you've got your ads. So you can have as many ads as you want, as many ad sets in a campaign as you want. But the ads obviously will serve to people in that ad set. And there's no limitation on the type of ads. You could have video ads, carousel ads, image ads, you name it. There may be some restrictions within the campaign type, but only within a few as well. The other thing to mention is campaign budget. So budgets can be set at ad set level here if you want to. So effectively within a campaign, each ad set could have its own individual sort of budget. So I'll put maybe, say, 20 per day. And then effectively that budget will get fed out to these sort of ad sets, these ads as well. Now, Facebook have recently rolled out something called campaign budget optimization. So what that means is that you can define the budget at this level. So you could say it's £20 per day here. And what Facebook will do is spread out the budget based on the performance of the campaign. So previously you'd have to maybe run the sort of ad sets individually and then pick which ones were the winners, turn them off, etc. Facebook will now divide up the budget based on the most campaigns and kind of conversions or profitability. So wherever you're getting the best results, Facebook will automatically feed the budget to you. Now that's great because it means Facebook will do the heavy lifting. And second, it means you'll actually be able to test through a lot more easier. And Facebook obviously knows its algorithm, obviously because it owns it. So it's going to give you the best sort of structure, if you like, or targeting for your campaigns too. That's a very basic overview of sort of the campaign structure. If you have any questions, just let me know. Happy to talk through if it doesn't make sense. And also just add a question in the group.